So we know about alphabets. Now we are going to learn about how to arrange words with alphabetical order. So look, I have solved one example here. It is of first number example. The question is, write the following words in alphabetical order. First number exercise or example, you can look here: crocodile, tiger, alligator, donkey, monkey. Those are words in random sequence. It is not a alphabetical sequence. So we are now arranging this sequence as a alphabetical order. So as I told you, in that word group we want to search first A's word. First alphabet is a A. So we want to check A's word. So it is of third number word. Alligator is begins from A. So we are writing that alligator as a first in alphabetical order. That word goes to first in this word group. Second number, A after B. There is no any single word is begin with B. So we want to check next C. Crocodile. Crocodile is the word, yes, that is begins with the C. So second word is of crocodile as a alphabetical order. Then C after D. There is a D's word, donkey. Fourth number word from here we want to use as a third number sequence of alphabetical order. Then donkey. Then D after which alphabetical word is there? Yes, monkey, because of then tiger, and because of tigers before M is there, means here M, then NOPQRST, then T is after the M, so we have used M here, and then last word is of T for tiger. So we have arranged these all words as a alphabetical order. So next example we want to look. This is of 6 number example. Directly I will show you. There is little different. First 3 letters are same for all: not, knock, knob, no, knowledge. In that 5 words, first 3 letters or alphabets are same, K, N, O. So let us think about fourth number letter. So there is a fourth number letter is begins from the A. We want to check here. K, N, O, A is anywhere? No. So K, N, O, B is there. Knob. So this knob, K, N, O, B. Knob we have taken here as a sequence of alphabetical order of first word. Then second number, K, N, O, B after C is there. Which one? Second number word, K, N, O, C, K. Knock. That is why we have taken that word as a second number alphabetical order. Then third number, C after K, N, O, T is there. Okay. So then K, N, O, T, not is used as a alphabetical order sequence number, third number word. So fourth number in alphabetical order, which word is there? K, N, O, W. And there is knowledge also, K, N, O, W. There are 4 same words are there, but K, N, O, W after nothing. So we have used this word as a fourth number alphabetical word, and afterwards last word is a K, N, O, W, L, E, D, G, E, knowledge. So knowledge is the last word in the alphabetical order. So hope so. Do you understand that lesson? So remaining second, third, fourth and fifth example you should solve and show me, and if you have problem then ask in my personal WhatsApp number. So again you can collect again five words of vegetable, fruit, again village names, cities, countries, whatever. You can make a 5 words group and you have to arrange it with the alphabetical order. So minimum 2 group you can make and arrange it by the alphabetical order. So if you don't understand, please ask me, and those who understand, they have to solve. Have a nice day. But solve exercise which I told you. Thank you.